Welcome to this new Fabricville tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make a flat-filled seam. It's a durable and resistant seam which we usually find on shirts and jeans. To make it, first I lay the two pieces I want to assemble with right sides facing together and I stitch 2 centimeters from the edge. So this will need to be considered on the pattern. Then I trim one of the seam allowances down 1 centimeter and I press the seam open. Now we're going to fold the 2 centimeter seam allowance over the 1 centimeter seam allowance and fold it over again to tuck in and enclose the edges. Then I stitch very close to the folded edge. And that's it. For a shirt, we usually do this folding on the wrong side, while for jeans, most of the cases we do this on the right side so that the 2 stitching lines show. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.